Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials, an active SIM tied to your number and assigned an Apple ID. Once ready, open Settings and toggle iMessage on so the service begins activation. Next, tap Send and Receive and watch for your phone number to appear under You Can Be Reached by iMessage at. If the number is missing, briefly turn iMessage off, restart the phone, then toggle it back on. This forces a fresh registration attempt with Apple and your carrier. Now you confirm the number. In Send and Receive, select the phone number and the email addresses you want attached. You do this because Apple links iMessage identities to your Apple ID. Using the same ID on other devices makes messages sync correctly. If activation stalls, the system may send an SMS verification through your carrier. Allow that. Once done, FaceTime uses the same list, so make sure the phone number is selected there. As well, to keep finish by testing. Send a message to a contact who uses iMessage. A blue bubble confirms your number is active. If you have dual SIM, open Messages, start new conversations from and pick the line you want as the sender so recipients see the correct number. If things go wrong, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the iPhone, then sign back in. This forces Apple to reassign your number. If activation still fails, contact your carrier to ensure SMS activation messages aren't blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.